Just waiting to go live here. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the stream. Market's just open, and I predict there's going to be a short. That's what I believe. So that's what we're going to go in with. Okay. Right, market is here. Okay, first thing we're going to do very quickly, just going to take some images of the market, how it's currently moving in 4 separate time frames. Download. I'm going to go to 15-minute. Download this. Finally, the 5. I'm going to fire this off with one of our pre-crafted prompts here, which I saved the other day. And this is along the lines of, this is the US 500 on 4 different time frames. Analyze and provide me the percentage probabilities of bullish or bearish momentum. So this is something we're gonna utilize. It's going to tell us whether the software predicts bullish or bearish momentum within the next 15 minutes to a couple of hours. Most likely bearish. I think now would be the best time to go in with a short, unless it hits this support level. So we can potentially put our stop loss above that. So I think if we have it on the 5-minute, we can utilize this support level as our stop loss. Yes, 500. We need to sell. We're going to go in. So our stop loss, we're going to have at the 91 mark. Now our take profit, we can definitely aim for this lower zone. Perhaps 612. So we'll do that. Go for 612. Now our entry point was 678.1. I'm going to zoom in ever so slightly. 678. There we go. That should be almost. This is frustrating. Right, 678. There we go. So we're at break even. Now, stop loss was 91. Okay. Take profit was 612. maybe if we target 613.5, I think. Let's fire that off. Okay, and what we can potentially also do is some signals here.
You were made to take secret routes to scenic spots. We were made to make lower flight prices less secret.
So what have your kids got planned for Mother's Day? If it's anything like last year, I'll have a scrummy breakfast in bed.
Where is this?
Helena needs to make up for the frying pan incident.
So we'll switch into 15-minute here. We'll take some signal trades as well. Do we have? Okay. Let's take a look at gold, see if we can do anything with gold today. Quite a lot of sort of buy zones down here. Whether we can really do anything with that, we will see. Yes, 500. Just starting to drop. Exactly what we sort of want. Let's find some economic news for the day. So we'll say, give me the US economic news for today. You alright, mate? It's good. Add a stop loss in. So it's recommended we go with a stop loss of 0.0785. And it's recommended a take profit of 0.82. have one here for USD to CAD. Let's go. USD CAD. Let's go with a buy. So our stop loss is 1.4295. Take profit is 1.4315. And we have one for euro to pound. Euro, Great British pound. We need to buy. We're going to go in with a stop loss 0.8335. And a take profit of 0.342. That's not quite right. 0.8342. Fantastic. Right, I want to potentially take a trade on gold today. So we're going to go gold to dollar. It's interesting. I don't see a sort of entry point off the top of my head. I'm going to download this. We'll go to the 1 hour. Download 15-minute. And the 5-minute. This is XAU USD on 4 different time frames. Analyze. Provide me with entry and exit points. Or no, not entry and exit. We'll go for percentage probabilities. It will be So it's a bullish, looks like a bullish sort of day for gold potentially. US 500 is going down, which is exactly what we wanted. Okay. So we'll wait for some new signals. We will also look for an entry point on gold here. Palladium. Okay. Let's find some potential trades. Oh. So we may have to adjust our sort of profit margins here. So there is a big buy zone in. That initially I was not aware of. Now, will our position be affected? Currently $17,000 in profit. There we go. One trade. That was euro to pound. Closed. Fantastic. Already in profit for the day, guys. That's what we like to see. Now US 500 looking good as well. Exactly what we want. Let's take a look at perhaps some of the best trades we can take today. List some. Take today. High. List out buy or sell levels. Okay. Where are we? So we've got some here: Nvidia, Microsoft, Oracle, Airbnb, and Micron. Oh, we have a signal on for natural gas. Let's go. So, NAT gas. Okay, natural gas we need to sell. So, okay, we could take Oracle for instance. We could say, give me a, let's say, an intraday trade for Oracle. Okay. So US 500 trade is going rather well. Okay, let's look for maybe another one. I think Oracle is slightly sort of consolidating. Let's check on our US 500 trade. Currently $19,000 in profit. Fantastic. Now, will this break through the support? That's the most important question here. Will it break through? Perhaps we could take a look at Nvidia today. So we can say, give me entry and exit points for an intraday trade on NVDA. Okay. Give me a trade based on this chart. Okay. Okay. It really depends whether this breaks the order block. Really depends. We've got a trade here for Berkshire Hathaway. Let's go. BRK.B. There we go. We're 64. We just took $64 profit. Are we going to bounce off this? Are we going to continue running? We could continue down further. It's very possible. Fantastic. Fantastic. We've broken through that buy order. Amazing. Now we can continue to go downwards. Um, Most likely we will continue to profit off of this move. We are $42,000 in profit, guys. 42, and that order block's gone. Fantastic. Got a trade here for Ethereum to USD. ETH USD. Gonna sell 14 ETH here. Stop loss we are setting to 1888. Take profit. There we go. Let's find some cryptocurrencies. We'll say, give me a list of the top crypto coins this week. Okay. So we can take a look at Solana. We could say, give me a trade, or give me a 6-month investment plan for Solana. US 500 is dropping rapidly. $50,000 here. $51,000. This is amazing. Okay. Got a trade for euro to dollar here. It's recommended that we buy. Stop loss, we want. Oh, we've got a trade for pounds to dollar. To buy as well. Okay, euro to dollar. Stop, exit target 1.0825. One point two. Okay, euro to yen. The hell is this song? Euro to yen. 62. 450. 162. 300. We will see. We will see how this trade turns out. Give me entry. Hmm. Okay, this trade is continuing to move down, which is exactly what we want to see here. We're going to move the take profit up, I think. So we're $61,000 in profit, which is probably the highest we've ever been on stream. $64,000. We're touching this buy zone here. Do we want to move this take profit up? I think we will. I think we'll move it up 6.5 points. We'll move it to 620. Taking $70,000. Should we make it? We go to 19. Okay, $70,000. We're taking. No, it really depends. It really depends. I did like this. I don't want to tamper too much. We're going to wait until this candle closes, and then we'll choose whether we want to continue with this trade or whether it would be safer to close out. So we'll wait for the next 6 minutes 34. In that time, we may as well look at some crypto coins with high activity. How is everybody today? Okay.
You were
Just gonna
made to
skip this ad.
we
Give me information on the crypto coin AAVE. Right, we are approaching our take profit. If it hits that 20 mark in the next 4.5 minutes, then we'll leave the trade. If it doesn't, we will reevaluate at the end of this 4 minutes and see what we want to do. So we'll keep analysing. How is everybody today? Hopefully enjoying the signals. Okay, let me zoom me down. So Ave is a decentralized finance. Oh, we're very close to that take profit. We're about to hit it. So close. Come on. This is going to be the biggest trade on the channel. There we go. $60,000. Or $70,000 we just made. $70,920. That is the biggest trade by far on the on a stream. $70,000. As you can see, we've added in about $50,000 to our available trading equity. That's fantastic. Now, just to better. Let's zoom in. Music sounds better already. Fantastic. Now that is probably one of the best trades we've done on the stream. I'm very happy with that. So, mhm. Okay. We could be looking at a potential short here. We're possibly too late. That is unfortunate. Here's 500 dropping even further. Yeah. It's gone even further. It's gone even further than my take profit. My original take profit was 613. So I
Did it hit your take profit, or did you adjust, or did you?
I adjusted it up just to be safe because I didn't want to gamble. $70,000 is more than enough. And it does look like it's starting to rebound.
Doubled the account.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
See how the signals are doing. They're doing alright.
Great. They've made 70K on one trade. Damn. The fuck was that volume?
Crazy volume. It was crazy volume, but the trade was clean. So that was the trade.
Oh, nice. Is that on a demo?
Yeah. No, it's not.
Live.
Yeah,
Oh,
that was calm.
would you like to invest? Minimums of 50K? Just will take it from you.
It's nice. Right. Let's look at some crypto. Let's find some crypto. So let's say, give me a list of crypto coins I can invest into today for maximum ROI. Okay, what do we have? Cubetics, SEI, Monero, Quant, and EOS. Let's take a look at SEI. It's a high-speed layer 1 blockchain. Okay. Fastest parallel blockchain. 12,500 transactions per second. It even smashed our take profit of 613. Completely smashed that take profit there. Okay, interesting. Let's go to CoinMarket. So, where is it? There we go. Trade for Meta. Wants a buy. Alright, we will analyze. Price has dropped 10 points below. Justin C says, what about the pro sports industry in North America? How much growth is projected to be made? How do we directly invest in those clubs? I have no idea. But that's something we can ask the GPT. Give me a list of pro sports clubs in North America to invest into. So we'll take a look and potentially find an answer for you. Now, we can take a look at Visa. We've been recommended a Signal. Walmart. So exit target 84.2. Oh, sorry, stop loss is 85.3. Price has absolutely destroyed our take profit. It has shot past the take profit. That would probably be $95,000 if we were still in that trade. Now I'm very happy with how much did we make? Almost $71,000. I'm very happy with that, and I'm not going to complain. But it looks like price is just going to continue to drop downwards. I do wonder what this is caused by, because that is, that's almost vertical. If we go into the 1 hour, that is beautiful. Looks like it's destroying this order block. It's just going to continue to drop by the looks of it. So we have a couple of pro sports clubs that we could potentially invest into here. We have Atlanta Braves, which is a baseball one. They're publicly traded under the ticker symbols BATRA and BAT RK on the Nasdaq. Now we have quite a few here: New York Knicks, New York Rangers, Toronto Blue Jays, Toronto Maple Leafs, and Toronto Raptors. So, 2 basketball teams, 2 American football teams, and 2 baseball teams. Okay, so a lot of choice here. Does look like prices continuing to freefall. Toronto Maple Leafs. Okay, so if you wanted to invest in all 3 Toronto-based sports teams, you could do that through Rogers Communications Inc. So let's take a look at Rogers Communications. Rogers Communication Inc. So they're publicly traded at around $27.63. Let's go into a daily. Doge USD. This is this is beautiful. US 500. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. New York Knicks, we have New York Rangers as well. And these are both owned by Madison Square Garden Corp, which we can trade on MSGS. MSGS, so Madison Square Garden. It's quite a volatile stock. It's only been around, or it's only been publicly listed since 2015. It's very volatile indeed. The past 3 months fallen by about $40. Okay, now finally the Braves. So, and the Braves are an Atlanta-based baseball team. We can trade them on BATI. Carlo says fire emoji, Toronto Reapers. Okay. So here are the Braves. Been publicly traded since 2016. Currently sitting at around $44. Let's take a look at the Raptors again. And that was Rogers Communication. Fantastic. Thing we got out. The hell is this? Start getting a call.
I love Monday.com.
What's Monday.com?
You don't know Monday.com? This is Monday.
What'd you get, mate? Yeah, mixed stunner. The goat. Huh? Probably. Let's take a look at Aptos. So they reached a high. Let's take a look at Tron. I've never really understood what Tron is. What is the crypto Tron? Okay. We have a trade for the UK 100 here. It's recommended we buy. Wants a stop loss of 3635. And a take profit of 55. Let's see how the US 500 is moving. Continue to drop further. So, fantastic trade. I'm really happy we caught that. Now, potentially take a trade on a couple other indices. Okay, find me. What are some up and coming crypto projects that I can trade today for maximum ROI?
Oh, I bet Helena's got something special planned for Mother's Day.
Hyperliquid mantra. Let's see how Hyperliquid is performing after the recent sort of news around it. If you didn't know, someone opened up a massive short on Hyperliquid, which is a sort of crypto brokerage. They opened up a massive short. It was about $6 million. And they went onto another platform and they boosted the price right up of the crypto they were trading on Hyperliquid. So obviously they had a short on Hyperliquid. They had a they were pumping the price on another platform. They got instantly liquidated, and the position got moved over to Hyperliquid's reserves, and it just decimated their reserves. I think they lost about $230 million. Okay. Let's take a look at Mantra, perhaps. I think that would be interesting. This launched yesterday, Nillian. Oh, not quite yesterday, 3 days ago. Okay. signal here for Microsoft. Looks like prices starting to break this point here. Let's take that trade on Microsoft. We need to sell. Huh?
How did the trades go?
Yeah, they're going well. Just doing one on Microsoft. Stop loss.
You were made to take secret routes to scenic spots. We were made to make lower flight prices less secret.
What's it like having Sky TV? Oh, it's great. Feels like when the train doors stop, but at that exact place where you're standing. Then you actually get a seat. And it's one of these. Then the conductor comes by, but not with those weird stale sandwiches. She has sticky toffee pudding. Then the train gets diverted because of leaves on the track. But to Mallorca! And then you hear this music. No, but it's not from someone's tinny headphones. It's from this bonkers dance floor. And all your friends are there. And then that song comes on, but it's sung by an actual comedian.
Right, guys. We will most likely end the stream very shortly. We're looking about $70,000 in profit here, which is not too bad. It's the most profit I think we've ever made on stream. So we'll wrap the stream up in the next 3-4 minutes. So now, what is gold doing? $70,000. It's not bad work, guys. Well, $71,000. Soft commodities. Lumber. Could do oats. Lean hogs. Do cotton. Do commodity futures. Energies. Some precious metals. I think we're going to end the stream. We're going to end it here, guys. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these streams. We made $70,000, so that's one thing. But yeah, thank you everybody for joining. And we'll see you in the next one.